learners, today we are going to start with chapter 26, that is passage writing. So here the passage is given and in the bottom some question is given, you have to solve it from there. So I'm reading the first passage, that is Tom had a new bicycle. Tom के पास नई bicycle है. One day he went for a ride. वो एक दिन ride पे जाता है and he was carrying a cassette player. और वो क्या कैरी कर रहा था? Cassette player and had a pair of headphones over his ear. और earphones लगा रखे थे अपने ear में. As he cycled, he enjoyed the music. The music coming from the player was loud and clear. और जो music player से आ रहा था वो कैसा था? Loud था और clear था. So the traffic light at the junction changed from green to red. और जो आपकी traffic light है junction पे वो green से red हो जाती है. But Tom did not notice the change. But Tom को कोई भी change नहीं दिखाई देता. He kept on singing with that and he was what he was hearing. जो सुन रहा था बस उसे सुनता सुनता वो इसमें मगन रहा. Suddenly a car knocked Tom down and he got ऐसे धक्का मारती है, मतलब टक्कर मारती है और वो गिर जाता है. Tom did not see the red light. He did not hear the car horn. He was enjoying the music और enjoy कर रहा था music को and cycling very fast. So what happened? Children, you should not behave as foolish as Tom. आपको इतनी foolishly जैसे Tom ने behave करा है ऐसा आपको नहीं करना. Right? Hope you understood the passage. Now we will do the question. What was Tom carrying on his bicycle? तो क्या था उसके पास? Cassette player and a pair of headphones. Why did not Tom notice the change? उसे change क्यों नहीं सुनाई दी दिखाई दिया? Because he was what happened to Tom at the road? Tom को रोड पे क्या हुआ था? A car knocked him down. Why was Tom a foolish boy? Tom foolish boy क्यों था? He was and cycling very fast. Next, now we will see the passage 2, that is Tiger and Lion. They both were two playful puppies living in the bungalow. Right? Every day they played, ate and slept. खेलते थे, खाते थे और सो जाते. One day Mrs. Sharma, mistress of the house, and her maid went for shopping. एक दिन क्या होता है, दोनों mistress जो मालकिन होती है वो और उसकी maid दोनों shopping पे चले जाते हैं. So Tiger and Lion had the whole house to them. They had a wonderful time. They chased each other from room to room and they rolled and bit each other, playful on the carpet. और एक दूसरे के साथ कारपेट पे खेल रहे थे. They overturned a waste paper basket and split its content. मतलब जो waste paper की basket में इतने पेपर वगैरह पड़े थे तो सबको फैला दिया. As the two naughty puppies were fighting and tearing slippers, Pushy, the kitten, sneaked into the house and Pushy thought it was fun to tear the slipper into shreds and wanted to join it. उसने भी उनको join कर लिया. Tiger and Lion, however, did not like cats. इनको cats पसंद नहीं थी. The moment they saw Pushy, they barked fiercely, frightened the kitten, ran into the kitchen. It was a great fun fighting with cats. Barking fiercely, they chased the kitten. वो kitten को chase करते हैं. Out of the kitchen and into the garden. और garden में ले आते हैं. Maxie, the mother cat. फिर mother cat आती है जिसका नाम था Maxie. Woke up and saw two puppies chasing her baby. वो देखते कि उसके बेबी को दो puppies chase कर रहे हैं, परेशान कर रहे हैं. She jumped and attacked the two puppies, scratching them at the same time. और एक ही टाइम को उनको स्क्रैच कर देती है. The puppies were not prepared for such a fierce attack. Yelping, they ran back to the house. For a long while, what happened? There was a peace and silence. बहुत शांति थी, peace थी, and the puppies did not hide her under the table, licking their corns. उन्होंने अपने वांग्स को कर रहे थे, साफ कर रहे थे. So here the answer question is given. Let's solve them. Where did the mistress of the house go? To the market. What did the puppies do with the waste paper basket? वो क्या करते हैं waste paper basket के साथ? Why did they do to the sleeper? वो क्या करते हैं स्लीपर्स के साथ? स्क्रैच कर देते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाई डिड द किटन रन अवे? क्यों किटन जो थी वो भाग गई थी? राइट, वो उससे डर गई थी. व्हाई डिड मदर कैट अटैक द पपीज? मदर कैट ने क्यों पपीज को अटैक करा था? एज इट सॉ puppies frightening its baby. What did Maxie do to the two puppies? Maxie क्या करती है दो puppies के साथ? Now we have passage 3, that is Shashi. Shashi एक क्या थी? Pretty little girl थी, but she was always untidy and dirty. Shashi, you are smiley and your hair stink. और आपके जो बाल है वो कैसे चिपचिपे हैं. Said mother angrily whenever she saw her daughter coming from. Go and have a bath at once. जाओ और जाके नहा के आओ. Reluctantly, Shashi would take a shower, but she hated soap and shampoo. और वो मैं नहा तो ली, लेकिन उसको जो साबुन है और शैम्पू उसको पसंद नहीं है. She refused to use them. One by one, her friends avoided her. उन्होंने avoid करा. They covered their nose whenever they walked passing her. जब इसके पास आता था वो अपने nose को cover कर लेते थे. And Shashi's birthday came. She invited all her friends to the party, but none of them turned up. और इसने सबको बुलाया लेकिन कोई नहीं आया. शशि क्राई और शशि रोने लगी. Her mother feel sorry for her. Please do not cry, dear. वो कहते कि आप रो मत. She said, but I think you know the reason why your friends do not want to come to your party. तुम्हें reason पता होगा कि तुम्हारे जो friends हैं वो party में क्यों नहीं आना चाहते. Of course, Shashi knew the reason. After that, Shashi paid more attention to personal cleanliness. She had bath every day. वो soap तो use करती थी, shampoo use करती थी. The little girl was now neat and clean और अब वो बहुत neat and clean थी. Her hair was clean and shiny. Indeed, she looked smart and lovely. She was also very happy because she won back now her friends. उसको वापस उसके friends ने और वो बहुत खुश थी. Right, now let's see the questions over here. Now, what did Shashi mother want her to do when she came home dirty and smelly? She wanted her to take bath. What did she refuse to use when taking bath? She refused to use soap and shampoo. Why did her friends not come to the party? And they did not came to the party. क्यों नहीं आए थे? Because She remains dirty. What happened when her friends found her neat and clean? They accompany her. Right? उन्होंने उसको join करा, accompany करा. Right? So this was all. Now fun with words. Here's also one passage given. So once upon a time, there lived a businessman in a city named Shamkant. He was owner of big business. The city in which they live is situated near the river. कहाँ थी? River के पास थी. On due to heavy rains, the river was flooded and the whole city got submerged into the deep neck water. डूब गई city में. And the crop house and factories in the city were damaged. Hundreds of people and cattle perished in the flood. भाई सब डूब गए flood में. Right? So where did the businessman live? Businessman कहाँ रहता था? City में. City में. What was the name of the businessman? क्या नाम था? Where was city situated? Near a river. What was he doing in the city? वो क्या कर रहा था सिटी में? Next is write the opposite of the following word. Rich, poor, near, far, deep, shallow. Heavy, thin. Now read the passage given below and answer the following question. So Gandhiji's elder brother always wore a golden bangle on his arm. One, he got into a debt. He did not know what to do about it. At the last, he thought to clip a bit out of his bangle and sell it. So Gandhiji was known the secret, and he helped his brother in his plan. That debt was paid, but soon Gandhiji heart almost broke with humors. He felt sure that what he had done was wrong. जो उसने करा है वो गलत है. He made up his mind to confess to his father, and he felt terribly afraid. But he wanted to get the weight of his conscience, so he wrote what he had to say on the sheet of paper. वो एक sheet of paper पे उन्होंने लिख दिया. He told his father everything. He promised that he would never steal again. वो कभी भी चोरी नहीं करेगा. And asked for his father forgiveness. कि मुझे अब अपने फादर की जो गलती थी उसको माफ करने के लिए उसने forgiveness का. So here some question is given. What did Gandhiji brother always wear? गांधी जी के ब्रदर what did Gandhiji's brother always wear? क्या पहनते थे? Golden bangle. In which act did Gandhiji help his elder brother? किस एक्ट में? डैप्ट में. कर्जे में डूब गए थे वो. What did Gandhiji promise? गांधीजी ने क्या प्रॉमिस करा? He would never steal again. He would never steal again. Find the words from the passage which means admit or own. Consign. So see the picture carefully and make a passage. आपको इस पे क्या बनाना है? अपने आप passage बनाना है. Right? So this was all in this chapter. Now we have completed it. Hope you understood. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.